Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm very excited to be doing another unboxing from New Craft Day. I have some super cute things to share with you guys today. So first off, I want to share with you guys this little guy. So he is a little light. And I don't know if you can really see there. He's got little scales and stuff. So what we do with him is we come in with the adhesive and all of the gems here. And he will be a little dragon crystallite. How cute. If I can find a picture off of the website, I'll put that in here now, so you guys can see what he would look like finished. They have a number of these kits, different critters, different animals. They are all absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to get him done. It's gonna take me some sitting down to do, but we've got the little white crystals, the little pink crystals, and then the little black crystals to do his little accents. But he's so stinking cute. And I love his little hands on his little tumbles. I mean, he's cute without the crystals, but he's going to be super precious once I have all his little crystals on him. And then the other project that they graciously sent me is this diamond painting kit. And this I'm very excited about. Number one, I think the design on here is gorgeous. This may have to get done first here. But this is an absolutely gorgeous design. But you can see there's a number of larger spaces within the design. It's not just the tiny rhinestones. And that is because we have jumbo rhinestones that go into this kit. It's almost got a more three-dimensional design to it. I forgot to pre-open the gemstones here. I'm sorry. But you can see all the color that will be added into this. This one might have to get done first just because it's a little bit easier for me to sit down and do this in phases. I don't have to kind of commit to a certain amount of time. But look at all the beautiful gems that came with this kit. In the description box down below, you'll find links to these kits as well as to the website. There is also a code included down there. But this is just going to be so pretty. Look at those colors. I love the bee aesthetic. I think the honeybee aesthetic is just one of those super cute things that has been really popular recently. And I've been finding some really cute little accents to have around the house. And this is just about the right size to put in one of my box frames, so I could easily put this in that and display that in the living room. I'm still trying to get the living room decorated after the move last year. It's a different space to decorate. A lot of my old decor pieces I had already donated when we moved last time, not anticipating moving again. So I'm having to come up with new ways to decorate those bookcases in the living room, as well as the buffet that we have in the dining room. So I'm constantly on the lookout for things that I can use to decorate the new house and just kind of add a little bit of seasonal flair and a little bit of personality. It's so hard when you move into a new place because you're starting from such a sterile environment. And I'm just looking for those accent pieces now. We have all the main furniture and artwork, but it's those accent pieces now that I'm looking for. And I think this will be perfect for the spring and summer. So I'm very, very excited about this. If you guys place an order, let me know. I would love to see what you guys go with. There's a number, they have a number of these larger gem, more dimensional designs. I can't wait. I'm hoping in the next week or two to have this finished so I can share it with you guys in a show and tell, but I am so excited. I love you guys, and I will see you real soon. Okay guys, so apparently I signed off my previous video just a little prematurely to be a finale of the video. I decided after unboxing this to sit here and work on it. I gave myself exactly 1 hour before I go back to doing some cleaning and housework and reorganization stuff that I'm working on. But as you can see, I actually got a significant portion of the tiny gems done. It was one entire package of the gold. I just dumped it into the tray and decided, okay, well, I'll give myself an hour and we'll see what we can get done. So in 1 hour, I completed all of this gold section. So I have a couple things I need to do right now, but I will check back in a little bit and see if maybe I can sit down for another hour and see what we can get done then. I'm just slowly working around the perimeter. I'll open one corner back, fill it in, same thing. Oh, I've got a loose gem there that doesn't belong there. I gotta fix that. But I'm just going through the corner sections here, so I'll see what I can do here in the next hour. Hi guys, so I got a chance to work on this for a second hour, and this is where we are. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have it done in time to put this video up. But the only thing I have left to do is the bee here in the center. Everything else is filled in. I did go ahead and do the large gems along the perimeter. That way I can rest my hand on those as I fill in from the center now. But I've got 3 packets of gems left unopened. I have another packet of the first soft gold color. I have one of a very yellow color and one black. So it'd take me approximately another hour and a half to finish this up. So this for me was a 3.5 hour project, kind of going uninterrupted at an hour at a time. So I really like how it's looking. I love how it's turning out. I wish I had time to finish it before uploading, but I really wanted to get this out to share with you guys as soon as possible. So, and I wasn't initially expecting to have time to work on it so immediately, but I'm very excited with how this looks. It's looking very, very pretty. I'm not sure when I'm going to have time to frame it. I'm hoping to get a mat and a frame over the weekend, maybe. Anyway, my eyeballs are itching. It's kind of been a busy cleaning day here. So I am going to go ahead and get this video uploaded for tomorrow morning. I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. And I look forward to seeing you again on Tuesday.